In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Meta Pixel ID to your GoDaddy website builder. If you want to connect your website with Meta for tracking and advertising purposes, this is a quick and important setup. The process is simple, but it helps to know exactly where to go so you can avoid mistakes and make sure your pixel is added correctly. To begin, open Meta Events Manager and locate your pixel ID. This is the 15 to 16 digit number associated with your pixel. Make sure you copy only the pixel ID itself with no extra spaces or characters before or after it. Since this number connects your website to your meta tracking setup, double check that you're copying the correct one if you manage more than one pixel. Once you've copied the pixel ID, head over to your GoDaddy website builder account and log in. After you're inside the builder, go to your settings area. From there, look for the Facebook pixel section. This is where GoDaddy allows you to connect your site to Meta so that your tracking code can be applied properly. When you find the Facebook pixel setting, click into it and look for the input field provided for the pixel ID. Paste the pixel ID you copied from Meta Events Manager directly into that field. Take a second to confirm that the full number appears correctly and that nothing has been accidentally left out. Even a small typo can prevent the connection from working the way it should. After the pixel ID is in place, the final step is to click Publish. This part is essential because adding the ID alone does not make the change live on your website. Publishing ensures that the update is pushed to your site so the pixel can begin working. Once your site is published, your Meta Pixel should now be connected through GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to be extra careful, you can always return later to confirm the ID is still saved correctly in your settings. It's also a good idea to allow a little time for changes to fully take effect after publishing. And that's it. You've copied your Pixel ID from Meta Events Manager, added it to the Facebook Pixel section in GoDaddy Builder, and published your site to apply the change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.